Just another quick video from Oily Boy. Managed to get a plate for this transmission for this hybrid BMW X5. If you see my first video, you'll see that the original plate for the transmission got destroyed by the flywheel collapsing. Anyway, BMW wanted 9 grand for this transmission because you can't get this separately, but managed to get a transmission from another BM which has the same plate on it. This is the tranny. There's some numbers there. I think it was out of a 5 series this. It's exactly the same, the front of the transmission. There is some other differences, but the bit I needed was the same, so just thought I'd let you know I've got it sorted and it's off back in. Thanks for watching.